Welcome to the Money Navigator. Today, we're going to share 15 creative and unexpected money-saving life hacks that can help you stretch your budget even further. Let's get started. Part 1: Money-saving hacks around the house. First, let's explore some money-saving hacks you can use around the house. 1. DIY cleaning products. Did you know you can make your own cleaning products using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon? They're effective, eco-friendly, and much cheaper than store-bought cleaners. 2. Energy-saving tips. Unplug your electronic devices when not in use, switch to LED light bulbs, and use energy-efficient appliances to save on your energy bill. 3. Repurpose and upcycle. Before throwing something away, think about how it can be repurposed or upcycled. Turn old clothes into rags, use glass jars for storage, and get creative with DIY projects. Part 2: Smart shopping hacks. Now, let's dive into some smart shopping hacks to help you save money. 1. Price comparison apps. Use price comparison apps to find the best deals on items you need. You'll be surprised at how much you can save by shopping around. 2. Cashback and rewards programs. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs to get money back on your purchases or earn points that can be redeemed for discounts. 3. Buy in bulk. When it comes to non-perishable items, buying in bulk can save you money in the long run. Just make sure you have the storage space for it. 4. Shop seasonally. Buy fruits and vegetables when they're in season, as they tend to be cheaper and fresher. You can also freeze them to enjoy year-round. Part 3: Entertainment and lifestyle hacks. Lastly, let's look at some money-saving hacks for entertainment and lifestyle. 1. Free events and attractions. Keep an eye out for free events and attractions in your city. Museums, parks, and local festivals can offer hours of entertainment without breaking the bank. 2. DIY gifts. Create personalized and meaningful gifts for friends and family by making them yourself. Homemade gifts can be more affordable and show that you put thought and effort into the present. 3. Exercise outdoors. Skip the gym membership and exercise outdoors or at home. Running, hiking, and bodyweight exercises are all free ways to stay fit. 4. Potluck dinners. Instead of dining out, host potluck dinners with friends. You'll save money and still enjoy a delicious meal with great company. 5. Borrow, don't buy. For items you rarely use, consider borrowing from friends or neighbors instead of buying them. This can save you money and reduce clutter. 6. Plan your meals. Meal planning can help you save money on groceries, reduce food waste, and make it easier to stick to a budget. 7. DIY home repairs. Learn basic home repair skills and tackle minor fixes yourself. This can save you money on hiring professionals for simple jobs. 8. Use your local library. Take advantage of your local library for free access to books, movies, and even online courses. It's a great resource for learning and entertainment. And there you have it, 15 creative and unexpected money-saving life hacks that can help you save money in various aspects of your life. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and watch your savings grow.